It's an ugly day today.
I know, I think it may rain.
It's the middle of summer. It shouldn't rain today.
That would be weird.
Yeah, especially since it's 90 degrees outside.
I know. It would be horrible if it rained and it was hot outside.
Yes, it would be.
I really wish it wasn't so hot every day.
Me too. I can't wait until winter.
I like winter too, but sometimes it gets too cold.
I'd rather be cold than hot.
Me too.
It doesn't look very nice outside today.
You're right. I think it's going to rain later.
In the middle of the summer, it shouldn't be raining.
That wouldn't seem right.
Considering that it's over 90 degrees outside, that would be weird.
Exactly. It wouldn't be nice if it started raining. It's too hot.
I know, you're absolutely right.
I wish it would cool off one day.
That's how I feel. I want winter to come soon.
I enjoy the winter, but it gets really cold sometimes.
I know what you mean, but I'd rather be cold than hot.
That's exactly how I feel.
I wish it was a nicer day today.
That is true. I hope it doesn't rain.
It wouldn't rain in the middle of the summer.
It wouldn't seem right if it started raining right now.
It would be weird if it started raining in 90-degree weather.
Any rain right now would be pointless.
That's right, it really would be.
I want it to cool down some.
I know what you mean. I can't wait until it's winter.
Winter is great. I wish it didn't get so cold sometimes, though.
I would rather deal with the winter than the summer.
I feel the same way.